Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log in to WhatsApp without a verification code. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right and select Settings feature from menu. The Settings page will be displayed. Here, access the Account tab from the top and all these features start appearing on your screen. Now tap on the Passkeys feature and you will be able to bypass the code verification using this feature. But if you can't find this feature, make sure to update the app and get back to this page. After you're inside the Passkeys feature, you will be prompted to set a new one. Since I already have one set up, we'll delete the existing one and then show you the whole process. Here, tap on the Continue button and then access the screen using the dedicated passkey. This way, you'll be able to set it up. If I tap on the Learn More embed, you can see that it is written this feature helps to bypass the SIM verification method and works on both iPhone or Androids. So that's basically how you can log in to WhatsApp without a verification code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.